I have never seen any influencer tell you such a simple fact. The most suitable investment for Chinese residents is the US stock market index. Moreover, you should buy the US stock market index even more than Americans do. This might sound counterintuitive, and you probably have a lot of questions in your mind. As a Chinese, why should I buy US stocks? Don't worry, let me break it down for you. First, let me show you the relationship between the US stock market and the exchange rate between the US dollar and Chinese yuan since the currency reform in 2010. Over the past decade, the S&P 500 has experienced significant growth, rising from around 1,100 points to over 3,700 points. When the yuan's appreciation period prolonged, the US stock market has grown relatively quickly and showed stable overall trends. But when the yuan's depreciation period came, the US stock market's growth has been slower, with greater fluctuations. Second, the volatility of stocks is much higher than that of exchange rates. A 15% drop in the yuan is considered significant devaluation, yet for stocks, a 15% fluctuation is quite normal. When we use yuan to buy US stocks, and if the US dollar depreciates, you might incur losses due to the exchange rate. However, the stocks will likely earn back more. Conversely, if the US dollar appreciates and the US stocks decline, the exchange rate could offset your losses. This way, exchange rates and stocks have formed a long-term hedging relationship to protect your money. We can see that since the end of 2011, the S&P 500 has had a return rate of 200%, while the S&P 500 priced in yuan has a return rate of 249%. The extra gain comes from the exchange rate. This portion of your earnings is something only Chinese people can make. Even Americans envy you. They haven't earned this money. That's why I say the most reliable long-term financial strategy for Chinese people is to invest in the US stock market index. Here, I recommend exchanging currency to buy S&P 500 index funds. If you are a foreigner, especially if your country's currency is currently depreciating against the US dollar, you should consider doing the same. Follow me. Let's grow together.